Hey guys, I want to introduce Tuff Toe, our newest, most economical version of Tuff Toe. You guys may be familiar with this setup. You've got the two-part mixing through a mixer tip, and then some of you may even have the gun. It's a great setup. It's a little more expensive. This is a one-time use bag. It's enough to do just one shoe, so for whatever reason you only had one shoe that was wearing out, this is going to be a lot more economical for you to get. All right, so you're going to want to take some masking tape and make sure that you tape off the area that your application area, and then you're also going to want to take some sandpaper and sand it as much as you can. Do a really good job of sanding, and then you're ready to go with opening the burst bag and applying it. It's very simple. You've got side A and side B. There's a frangible seal here, and we're just going to squeeze all of side A into side B. We're going to mix it. We're going to cut the tip off, and then we're going to apply it to the boot. So let me show you how that's done. I'm going to push all of part A into part B, and we're going to roll it up like a toothpaste tube. And then we're just going to pop this seal. And then we're just going to floss this over a table edge for 60 seconds, or about 60 times. You want to make sure that you're getting all the material out of the corners and getting mixed. So every once in a while you might want to use the stick to make sure you're clearing it out fully, and then get back to flossing over the edge. It's a chemical reaction going on in there, so you should start to feel some heat building up inside the bag. Outside the bag should start getting warm. And you want to go a full 60 seconds. It's better to overmix than to undermix. All right, a couple more. All right, now we are going to push all of one part into the other. And again, roll it up like a toothpaste tube. And then we're going to snip off this corner. I like to pinch the corner so that when we first snip it, a bunch doesn't come out. And cut off just a tiny bit of it at first. You can always cut more later, but I like starting with just a small hole. And then we're just going to apply it to the boot. We get some on there. You get your popsicle stick, and you want to go in circular motions and put it where you want it. Pick up where we left off. That's about all she wrote in the bag. And again, making sure we get full coverage. So we've got the toe where we want it. You can take a rag or a paper towel and clean up any edges if you need to. And then you're just going to rotate the boot for about a minute, and then you're good to set it down. So that bag was enough to do one toe, nice and thick toe. You can buy just one bag, but the more bags you buy, the cheaper they get per bag. So you can, like I said, if you just need one for one boot to repair it, great. I suggest buying 2 or 3 so you have an extra one. Do your pair of boots, have an extra one handy. You could also, seal seams with it. It's really economical, and it's still the same Tuff Toe material that you're used to. If you haven't seen our other videos, check those out with our full cartridge system and applicator gun. But this is definitely the same material coming out of an economical burst pouch bag.